Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry मैं intro करना भूल गई थी. And if you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Aanchal Bangia. Today I'm back with yet another YouTube video in which I am going to show you a quick and easy beginner makeup tutorial, or you can say everyday makeup. मेरे को एक फंक्शन पे जाना था and I was very late. Whenever I am in a hurry, मैं यही प्रेफर करती हूँ. बहुत ही सटल मेकअप होता है जिससे मैं बहुत प्रेजेंटेबल लगती हूँ और येट मेरा फेस नो मेकअप लुक में होता है. I have already prepped my skin with toner, moisturizer and sunscreen. So guys, never miss sunscreen even in the day as well, if you are at home as well. In the starting of the makeup, I have just applied a little amount of illuminator. मैंने 2 शेड्स के कंसीलर अप्लाई किए हैं. वन इज़ लाइटर वन जो मैंने इनर कॉर्नर्स पे दिया है फॉर दी हाईलाइट, and the other one is on my dark spots, and now I am blending with my fingers only. You can see the blending is very easy with the fingers. Try to do blending first with the fingers and after that with the beauty blender or your brush. You can see blending finger से ही काफ़ी अच्छी हुई है और मेरे जो dark spots थे वो अच्छे remove हो गए हैं. Just be careful if you have nails. Now I'll quickly blend all the concealer. Now the next step is very important. Now we have to set everything. Our base should be set. मेरी हमेशा से यही टेक्निक रहती है कि मैं ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर पे सारा पहले स्प्रे करूँ rather than on my face directly, because कई बार उससे क्या होता है कि पैचेस बन जाते हैं स्प्रे के. So I don't want that. So it's better to spray first on your beauty blender and then do in the dab motion. Moving on to my favorite part, that is blush. I am using a cream blush here. Also I am pumping out some spray from the bottle so that blush stays on my face. The key for the perfect base and perfect makeup is blend, and now I will blend all the blush that you can see is extra on my face. I will use the same beauty blender which has some product left on it so that all the product and blush mix up well and lighten up the color. Now you can see the blush color is on point. Well, I don't prefer to contour my face in these light makeups. The weather is quite nice these days. ना तो ज़्यादा गर्मी है ना ही ज़्यादा सर्दी है, so we can carry makeup in this weather. नहीं तो गर्मियों में तो our makeup melts, but उसके लिए भी solution है मेरे पास. I'll come up with these videos in summers. There are pretty good hacks that we can use in summer makeup and I'll definitely make video on those. Now heading to the mascara. मैंने mascara बहुत light hand से लगाया है and I have applied some glitters on my eyelids. I don't know why videos बनाते समय मैं या तो conscious हो जाती हूँ, कभी कोई सामान गिर जाता है, कभी मैं clips record करना भूल जाती हूँ और आज भी मेरे साथ ऐसे ही हुआ. मैंने lip shade लगाते टाइम देखा ही नहीं कि that I haven't clicked on the recording and वो रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं हुआ. But now I am just applying some lip liner and after that I have put some foundation on my lips to lighten up the color. I know आप लोग डर रहे होंगे कि मैंने अपने लिपस्टिक को क्या कर दिया है, but I will build a beautiful nude color. You can see this can make any darker shade into a very beautiful nude color. Just apply the right quantity and you are good to make a new color. Now I am just overlining my lips to define the proper shape of my lips to give it a pouty look. Now I am all set to flaunt my fabulous looking suit which is hugging me on right spots and the fitting is pretty good. And I am just forgetting one thing, that is bindi. I love to wear bindi with traditional outfits and it just elevates the whole look. Guys, do let me know in the comment section that how I am looking right now and the whole look. Do you guys like it or not? If any suggestions you can pour out in the comment section. I would love to have all the feedback from you guys. And now I am all set to go. I hope you guys loved the look, and if you do, then don't forget to click on subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon as well. And please like this video as well. If you really find this helpful, then do share with your friends. Bye guys.